Okay, so I actually picked this garden tool set up for my wife. And before I hand it over to her, I wanted to walk you through it because if you're shopping for the gardener in your life, or if you are the gardener, this set's worth a look. It's designed for women. It's got everything you need in one bag. And I'm going to answer the questions I know you're already thinking. Quick thanks to the folks at Zoklu who sent this to me so I can make this video. Really appreciate it. So let's start with what you actually get. This is a full kit. A large and smaller hand garden fork, a small hand rake, a hand pruner, and 2 small garden shovels. And yes, before you even ask, the gloves are included too. So is a spray bottle and a garden bag to keep it all together. You're not piecing this together one item at a time. It's all right here for you. So now, the question I see a lot is about size. Is it bigger or smaller than people expect? Well, these are actually true to normal size, and not some scaled down mini version. They're just designed with a woman's grip and hand in mind, so they feel comfortable, natural to use without, being oversized or bulky. And they're perfect for potting, weeding, trimming, tucking plants, all the everyday garden tasks. And that spray bottle, it doesn't come with anything in it, but yes, it's refillable. So once you run through whatever you have in there, just pop the top, refill it with water or your plant mist of choice, and keep on going. No need to buy a new one every time. As far as build quality goes, these tools are made from rust-resistant steel, so they're built to hold up outside season after season, not just sit pretty in the bag. And the handles have that ergonomic grip designed with a woman's hand in mind, which if you've got hands like mine that aren't 25 anymore, you'll notice and appreciate. It just feels easier to hold on to. And the bag is honestly one of my favorite parts. Everything has its place, so you're not digging through a bucket trying to find the pruners while your gloves are somewhere in the grass. And you grab the bag, you head outside, everything's right there. It just saves you time and saves you the headache. And like I said, this is exactly why I grabbed it for my wife. Great price. It makes a genuinely thoughtful gift. Birthday, holiday, or just because you love your garden. It's practical, it's put together well, and it doesn't feel like a throwaway gift set. All right, so if this answered what you were looking for, I got the link right down in the description so you can grab it for yourself. And if you feel like I helped you out today at all, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. It helps me keep making these for you. So that's it, 10-piece gardening set by Zoklu. I hope it helps, and I hope to see you again.